myself Dr. T. Sudarshan Ramaperumal. Today we are going to see about the Internet Protocol version 6. So overview of the IP version 6. IP version 6 is a new addressing protocol designed to incorporate whole short of requirements of future Internet known as Internet version 2. IP version 6 is 128-bit addresses. It is represented by 32 hexadecimal numbers arranged in 8 quarters of the 4 hexadecimal digits separately. It is a case sensitive for A, B, C, D, E and F. IP version 6 is currently a floating address scheme, that is, it is not divided into the classes. Here we have only prefix and host. IP version 4 has proven itself a robust routable addressing protocol and has served human being for decades, and it's the best ever delivery mechanism. It was designed for early 80s and did not get any major changes afterward. At the time of its birth, Internet was limited only a few universities for their researchers and Department of Defense. IP version 4 is used only 32 bits long, which is offers around this much of addresses. This address space was considered more than enough that time. Below are the few points of the IP version 6. Internet has grown exponentially, and the address space allowed by IP version is saturation. IP version 4 on its own does not provide any security feature, which makes data vulnerable on the Internet. Data protection of IP version 4 is not up to date. Larger address space. IP version 6 uses 128 bits, so we can use large number of address space for connecting devices. According to an estimation, 1564 addresses can be allocated every square meter for this width. IP version 6 header has been simplified by moving an unnecessary information and optional to the end of the IP version 6. Every system now has unique IP addresses and can travel through the Internet without using NAT and other translating components. IP version 6 support both stateful and stateless auto configuration mode of its host devices. This way, absence of a DHCP server does not put halt on the Internet segment communication. Fast forwarding and routing. Simplified header puts all unnecessary information at the end of the header. All information in first part of the header are adequate for the router to take routing decisions, thus making routing decisions as quickly as looking at the mandatory headers. Initially, it was decided for IP version 6 to must-have IP security makes it more secure than IP version 4. IP version 6 does not have any broadcast support anymore left with it. It uses multicast to communicate with multiple hosts. IP version 6 addressing modes: unicast, global unicast, link local unicast, and loopback addresses. In unicast mode of addressing, IP version 6 interfaces is uniquely identified in network assignment. The IP version 6 packet contains both source and destination IP addresses. A host interface is equipped with the IP addresses, which is unique in that network segment. A network switches or routers when receives a unicast IP packet. Destination to each host sends out to one and its outgoing interface which connects to the particular host. In multicast, in IP version 6, multicast mode is the same as the IP version 4. The packet destined to multicast host is sent on special multicast address. All hosts interested in that multicast information need to join the multicast group first. IP version 6 address type. Before introducing IP version 6 address format, we shall look into hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal is a position of number system which uses radix 16. It represents the value of readable format in system uses 0 to 9 symbols and also A to F symbols. Every digit of hexadecimal can represent value of 0 to 15. This is a header formats and the IP version 6. Here we have the version, traffic class, flow label, payload length, next header, hop limit, source address, and destination address. So version is defines which type of version we use. Traffic class, the 8 bits are divided into 2 parts. Most significant 6 bits used to type of services, and flow label is used to maintain the sequential flow. Payload is the defines is used to how much bits will be used to transfer the information. Next header, the field is used to indicate either the type of extension header, or if the extension header is not present, then it indicates the upper layer of the PDU. And source address is a field indicates the address of original of the message, and this destination address. This field provides the address intended recipient of the packet. Tunneling: in the scenario where different IP versions exist in the intermedia path of or transmitter network, tunneling provides a better solution where the user's data can pass through non-supported IP version. The above diagram shows how to remote IP version networks